How to install WordPress in Softaculous. This guide will walk you through installing WordPress using Softaculous in cPanel. Make sure you're logged into the cPanel dashboard. In Softaculous, locate WordPress in the menu and the overview page will display, where you can learn more about the software before installation. Click Install to begin. The default settings are suitable for most users, but we'll review these options briefly. If you have multiple domains, choose where to install WordPress from the dropdown. Enter the directory name. These should not already exist on the server. Add a site name and description. You can change these later in WordPress settings. Enter a username, password, and admin email for the admin account. Click on Advanced Options and type in a name for the database you need to create for the installation. Click Install. After a brief wait, WordPress will be installed. Use the installation link provided to visit your new WordPress site. It's ready for you to start building. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with a domain name.